BA-350, a 1-ton diesel with Raptor DNA. Last week we flew to Colorado for an exclusive look at Defco Trucks BA-350, the 1-ton Power Stroke with Raptor DNA. Raptors have become the factory performance 4x4 of choice in the last few years due to their exceptional off-road capability. Doug Paddock, owner of Defco and creator of the BA-350, wanted to make a 1-ton with the same type of capability to scale, and he succeeded. With plenty of travel, ARB front and rear lockers, a Dana Super 60 axle up front, Sterling 10.5 in the rear, and a 16,500-pound Warn winch, the BA-350 can get up or down any trail wide enough for the advanced fiberglass fenders and bedsides. The rig is impressively capable off-road for a full-size crew cab diesel. Its ability to tow as much as a stock F350, with upgraded Ford 4.3 gearing to handle 43-inch military-grade Continentals, and remain under a factory Ford warranty is a major plus. It's a tow rig that'll wheel with the best of the trailered 4x4s. On road the ride is much smoother than a standard F350 and most 1-tons. Like a Raptor, the BA-350's suspension is custom-built to absorb bumps and travel with dips at high rates of speed, making the ride smooth on and off-road. Bumpy roads and whoops are really where this truck finds itself at home. Doug claims you can drive it off the highway at 65 miles per hour and stay comfortable and in control, and there may be video evidence to prove it. This is the same BA-350 that earlier this year brought Defco a tsunami of attention on social media, where they posted videos of Doug jumping it close to 15 feet high at around 40 miles per hour. Chris Lewis from Lewis Built Performance is a partner in the BA-350 build. He created the patented suspension system for the truck that's built to handle the weight and power of an F350 with the agility of a Raptor, and then some. High-performance King shocks tuned by Kellen Meadows at NV Motorsports, custom leaf springs from Atlas Suspension, and expertly fabricated custom suspension components from Lewis Built make the ride for the BA-350 one of a kind. This diesel eats up rocky roads like they're bite-sized snacks, tackling jarring ruts and rocks with ease and class. Thanks to beefed-up steering components, the BA-350 handles better than a standard F350 too, making slick and uneven surfaces like snow and dirt easier to manage.